Welcome to part 2 of Charles's Law experiment. In this experiment, we will explore the relationship between temperature and volume. The setup for this experiment involves air confined in a syringe. We will investigate the changes in volume inside of the syringe as the temperature changes. So first we're going to fill the syringe halfway with air and seal the syringe by screwing the cap on. So here we're going to fill the syringe halfway with air. This is a 10 ml syringe, so we fill it halfway with air, and then we will screw the cap on. Then we're going to check the temperature in the room, and we will do this by holding the top of the thermometer in the air for 30 seconds, and we will record the temperature of the room in table 3. Now gently push the piston down until the plunger cannot move any further. So gently push the piston down until the plunger cannot move any further, and record the volume of the syringe. You're going to record the volume of the air column at the temperature, at room temperature in table 3. So the volume that the syringe is reading is 6.2. So we're going to record a volume of 6.2 cubic centimeters in table 3. So 6.2 cubic ml, or sorry, 6.2 ml or 6.2 centimeter. And room temperature is 26.2 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to fill one styrofoam cup with hot water from the sink. So we're going to fill a styrofoam cup with hot water. And in this step, you have to ensure that the water is not extremely hot. And then we're going to place the thermometer in the cup. And we're going to hold it there until the temperature stops, until it gets to an appropriate temperature. So we're going to watch the temperature in the cup until it stops increasing, and we will decide on an appropriate temperature. All right, so the temperature that we're going to be using is 51.3 degrees Celsius. I'm going to record 51.3 degrees Celsius in my table. Now I'm going to submerge and hold the syringe in the hot water for 30 seconds. So first we're going to bring the syringe. It says submerge and hold the syringe in the hot water for 30 seconds. So I'm going to hold it in the hot water for 30 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to gently push on the syringe until the plunger cannot move any further. So the volume in the syringe is 8.1. So I'm going to record 8.1. Now I'm going to prepare a cup of cold water mixed with ice. So I'm going to prepare a cup of cold water mixed with ice. So I have prepared a cup of water mixed with ice, and then I'm going to submerge and hold the air-filled syringe in the hot water for 30 seconds. And I'm going to also insert the temperature probe, and we're going to hold the probe in the water. We're going to hold the syringe in the water for 30 seconds. Okay, so the temperature on the probe is 1.2 degrees Celsius, and I'll record that in table 2. And then I'm going to push the syringe until I can't push it anymore. And then the volume in the syringe is 1.5 degrees Celsius, 1.5 ml. So 1.5 mLs. And the temperature was 1.2 degrees Celsius. So we've come to the end of this experiment. If you have any questions relating to the experiment, feel free to send me an email.